Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix OBS when it stops recording after just a few seconds. This is a really common issue that happens when the output timer is accidentally enabled, but luckily it's super easy to fix. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to open your OBS application on your computer. Once OBS is up and running, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the main menu options. Click on Tools from the menu bar, and this will open a drop-down list with several options related to OBS settings and features. From that drop-down menu, locate and select Output Timer. This is the setting that controls automated recording limits, and it's often the culprit when recordings stop unexpectedly after a short period of time. Clicking on this option will open a new window specifically for managing your recording timer settings. Once the Output Timer Properties window appears on your screen, you'll see several options related to timing controls. Look for the option labeled Enable Recording Timer every time. This is the setting that automatically stops your recordings after a predetermined amount of time, which is exactly what's causing your issue. You'll notice there's a checkbox right beside this option, and if it's currently checked, that means the timer is active. Go ahead and uncheck this box by clicking on it. This will disable the automatic timer and allow your recordings to continue until you manually stop them. Now, if you still want to have some control over your recording duration, you have an optional step here. You can manually set how long you want OBS to record before it automatically stops. You'll see fields for hours, minutes, and seconds. Click the small up and down arrows right next to each of these options to adjust the timing to your preference. This gives you flexibility if you want recordings to stop after a specific length, but don't want the timer enabled every single time you record. Once you've made your changes and you're satisfied with the settings, click the Close button at the bottom of the Output Timer Properties window. This will automatically save all your changes and return you to the main OBS interface. Your recording timer is now disabled, which means OBS will no longer stop recording after just a few seconds. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the issue where OBS was stopping your recordings prematurely. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.